Welcome back. As you know, my name is Brett Yateman. I'm going to be walking you now through the second section, which will introduce you to the company we work with, the products we're involved in, the compensation plan. I hope at this point that you've spoken to your sponsor and the person who gave you this video. I hope that you've made contact with them, gave them your initial impressions, asked them a few questions, and they've got you started and got you into this section where we'll be able to cover some more detail for you. So, the company I'm going to be introducing you to, so excited about walking you through the company and the business and the products, is Herbalife International, one of the largest global network marketing companies with a mission of changing people's lives. So let's talk to you a little bit about this company, Herbalife International. What's really exciting is that it's got a 30-year plus track record behind it. This is an organization that was started in 1980 and has been in existence for over 30 years. And there are now over 1.9 million distributors around the globe. People like you who've decided that they can invest their time and energy in getting started with this company, who are making a difference not only to other people's health and well-being, but to their own financial future. It's represented now in over 72 countries around the globe. We've been going here in Africa for over 15 years now, with South Africa, our first country, opening up over 15 years ago. In sales success, it's incredible to watch what's happened in 30 years, with meager, easy starts of $1 million in that first year, growing up now to over $3.8 billion US in retail sales sold in 2008. Herbalife is now listed on the New York Stock Exchange. And what does that mean to you? It means that we're governed by the authorities and the regulations of the New York Stock Exchange, and we have to be compliant to make sure that what we're taking to the marketplace is not only the very best, but is 100% safe and regulated. We're a member of the Direct Selling Association globally, adhering and actually participating in the lawmaking around direct sales to make sure that we participate in ethical, fair business practices. And in fact now, the Herbalife brand is one of the best known brands in the world. You'll be able to see it in all major sporting events, various different types of sport. Just watch your television and look for the Herbalife branding in the background. You know, the science behind the Herbalife brand is probably one of the keys. And Herbalife has managed to attract some of the world's leading experts in nutrition, healthcare, and personal care to make sure that not only are these doctors and specialists in their fields around the world helping to, number one, formulate the best products in the world, make sure that we're making the best products to take to the world, but also that they are regulating it and making sure that they're compliant, that they're effective and they're safe for everybody to be able to use. And then the same panel of doctors, experts and scientists are there to be able to educate and train us, the distributor base, to really learn how we can take these products to market and help people get solutions to their challenges that they may have using these products. Right now, the decade is 2010 to 2020. The company has one objective: to move from $3.8 billion in sales to $10 billion in sales. That's $6 billion in sales growth just in the next decade. We're inviting you to be part of that and come and help make that possible. The real heartbeat of Herbalife is inside our products. It's the magic. It's about getting people to use these products, feel the difference, get the results that they want, get more energy, get the weight, get the body shape that they need, look the way they want to look. And by doing that, other people will notice them with their results. They'll want to share that with other people. And just by doing that, more and more people will start getting onto the products. We'll teach you step by step how to find the customers, and quite quickly, you'll find yourself in business.
I went on the products, and as a very active sports person at that time, I just turned 50 now, but at that time I was running my 7th Comrades, and I was always looking for something to help me improve my times and my sport performance. I went on the products just to see if it does work, and in a very short space of time I lost 6 kilos, and I bettered my best time in my Comrades that year by 42 minutes. I was totally excited.
15 years ago, when I was 28 years old, I was introduced to the products through a good friend. He lost 30 kilos on the products, and that made me curious because I always wanted to have a better shape, and I tried a lot of different things. So I started on the products. I dropped 2 pen sizes, never gained it again. I'm now over 40 years old and I have a better shape than in my 20s.
I started with the product, lost 19 kilograms on the product, And thereafter I had so much amount of energy, it was unbelievable. I started talking to friends and colleagues everywhere, and our business took off.
And when I was introduced to the Herbalife opportunity, I went to my very first training, and I was absolutely excited and passionate about the possibility for my future. I immediately started on these amazing products, lost 6.5 kilos, shaped up in all the right places, and look better now than I did 15 years ago. So I'm really excited about getting older.
Getting onto the products and having the most amazing results, being able to bring my weight under the control for the first time in 20 years. But the greatest thing was the energy we felt, feeling better than we did in our teenage years, which is great when one's getting on a little bit in life.
I was introduced in this business, Herbalife, by a friend because I wanted to lose weight. So many years I'm trying. And I used the product. I lost 10 kg within 3 months. And I was so excited and my energy was so high. And everybody was asking me, what are you using? You look so nice. So I said, no, I'm using this product. That's how I managed to talk about the product to the people.
So you've probably seen at this point, we've covered a bit about the company, but very high level, a bit about the products, but very high level. We're now going to talk about the compensation and how you actually get to earn an income out of doing this. Please bear in mind, I'm going to do a quick introduction here. The person who gave you this DVD will be able to walk this through in a great deal of detail for you so that they can explain it step by step exactly what you need to do. But in essence, 73% of every single time a customer purchases product comes back to us, you and I, the distributor base. In fact, in 2007, that meant over $2.4 billion was paid back into distributors, that's you and I, people who take these products to market, into their pockets. So let's have a look at these 4 areas of income. What are they? First area of income is around retail. What is that? The minute you join Herbalife, you get a unique identification number, which is a Herbalife identification number. That identification number entitles you to be able to purchase products at a discount from Herbalife International and supply them to customers. And that obviously means that there is a difference between what you purchased and what you sold it for, and you start to earn retail profits. You can choose how many customers you want. Some people only have 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 small customer base that they look after, they take care of, and they supply them with products, and that earns them a nice little extra income every single month. Some people choose to grow that customer base, and you choose how big your customer base wants to be, depending on the time and effort you want to be able to put into it. Then when you're ready, and what you'll find is that many people will start to see you supplying these products to customers and earning an income, and they might come to you and say, I would like to get started. I had some people when I got started come to me and said, Brett, I can see that you're earning a profit out of supplying these products. Can I do the same thing? Now, in traditional business, we go, oh, don't want that to happen because they're going to take away my customers. Well, the beauty about the Herbalife business is, in fact, you want to encourage that behavior because they'll come to you and say, can I get started? And if they choose to get started, they will get their own unique Herbalife ID number, just like you did. But that number is linked on a global computer system in 72 countries permanently to your number. So what does that mean? They can go out and they can start supplying products to customers exactly the same as you, with the same discount allowances as you've got. However, the company will reward you for every time they find customers, and that is called wholesale profit. So the people you've introduced go out and they start earning themselves their own income, and they don't have to pay you anything. The company reward you with wholesale profit for everything that they're doing. And that's all calculated on a formula depending on how many customers they're servicing and you're servicing. And the person who gave this DVD to you will explain that in detail. And that then starts to move into a third, even bigger area of income, which is called sales premiums. Now this is really, when I saw this model, this is what got me excited. Because if the products worked this well, and I was so excited to see the results that the products gave, all I had to do was grow a small team of people and help them do what I was doing. And I could grow this team all over the world. I could grow, a distributor base, not only in my home country, but I could grow it in Europe and North America and in Australia. And those ID numbers were linked to mine, and the company would pay me a percentage of turnover of my entire organization. That meant, again, through a formula, depending on how many distributors were out there moving product, every time a product was moving, I was earning a percentage of that. And a small percentage, but a lot of people doing a little bit, started to mean that these incomes became huge, and that's residual income. That's the money that you can earn month after month after month after month after month, based on the organization that you've set up and the distribution channel that you've set up. Then there is a fourth area of income, which is around bonuses. And the bonuses operate on various levels. You can get additional percentages on your turnover of your organization. But the most exciting piece about bonuses is really around the travel. You know, so many people join Herbalife because they want to go travel the world and see the world. And we have free vacations where you can go on vacations. And those range from places like Zanzibar to the US to the Bahamas to Mediterranean cruises. And you can actually start to qualify for free vacations with you and your partner all over the world. And then the bonuses start to extend into President's Team bonuses, which gives you all sorts of benefits and rewards. The bottom line of this is that you choose how fast you want to go, how slow you want to go, and choose what you want to earn. If you turn to the person who gave you this DVD and said to them, I have huge ambitions, I really want to earn a great deal of money, they'll be able to show you the full extent of the marketing plan and teach you step by step. If you're just looking for a part-time supplemental income, they'll help you get started and get you into that retail, wholesale incomes and start helping you develop a client base to make sure that you're actually putting some money into your pocket.